Here's what we don't do. 1. It doesn't fix your life, VNS works on your nervous system. It doesn't fix the things causing your stress. If your job is unsustainable or your relationships are difficult, yōjō can only help your nervous system handle things better. 2. It doesn't work instantly for everyone. The face scan data builds over sessions. Some people feel something in their first week, some take longer. Individual response to ear-based VNS varies. I didn't feel dramatically different after day 1. I felt different after a few weeks of consistency. 3. It doesn't replace sleep, movement, or eating well. yōjō is a nervous system support tool that should complement a normal, healthy lifestyle. 4. It doesn't do anything visible. You can't post a flattering gym selfie about it. The results are internal and shown through data. There's no before and after moment in this, but you feel the difference and see the difference in your data. 5. It's not a medical device for clinical conditions. While VNS gets more mainstream coverage around depression, epilepsy, and stroke rehabilitation, the line still needs to be drawn. If you have a diagnosed condition, this isn't a substitute for treatment. This is for everyday stress and nervous system support. This is the does-do list. 1. It directly stimulates the vagus nerve through the ear, not indirectly like breathing or humming. The auricular branch of the vagus nerve runs through the inner ear. The device delivers targeted electrical stimulation to it. That's the mechanism. Most vagus hacks don't actually touch the nerve. This one does. 2. It shows you the data you can't feel. The face scan detects changes in blood flow and micro movements tied to your heartbeat. Your nervous system state shows up as a visible change, or doesn't. Either way, you know. For people that have been dismissed when describing their stress or anxiety, told they look fine, having objective data about their own state can be quite significant. 3. It changes your baseline, not just the moment. The difference between a coping mechanism and a nervous system intervention. A glass of wine, a run, a cold plunge, these change how you feel immediately and for a period. Consistent VNS builds parasympathetic tone over time. A 53% improvement in HRV, a 20% boost in parasympathetic activity, and a 25% drop in stress in 6 months on average. 4. It fits into a life that isn't optimized. No scheduling, no special location, no willpower required. You can do it offline. You can skip a session and log it later. The app doesn't punish you. 5. It's the only thing that lets you see your nervous system before and after every session. Nobody else has this. Not the cold plunge, not the breathwork app, not the sleep tracker. You scan, you do the session, you scan again. The change is visible.